Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how I achieved this look and tell you the products that I used. So today is 420. I can't believe it's another year from the last year that I made the last video. So again, this is my second anniversary of my surgery. So I wanted to do a look inspired by 420 since I already did my Easter look. So this is what I came up with, somewhat of a halo look. So first I used some different eyeshadows like in the crease, so to give it the blown out effect. So I used some pinks and some different, these are some different random ones I picked out of my stash. So this is Rendezvous. This is a blush by Makeup Geek. So I use that first around the eye, and then around the eye I use this color from Makeup Geek, I think, yeah, and it's called Carnival. And then I use this color from MAC. It's called Paradisco. I think that's the one. No, I lied. This is Passionate. So then I use that to start to get a little closer to the halo area and kind of darken the pink area. And then even closer in, I use this color from JD Glow. It's called Cleopatra, and it's a iridescent, kind of goes from, I guess, red to a teal maybe. So I use that even closer into the halo area, and then right smack dab in the middle I use this color from Carla Cosmetics in Bubble Bath. And it looks white, but it's another iridescent that goes from like a kind of greenish, goes from like a greenish teal to like a pink. So I put that in the middle there and in the middle of the lower lash line to give that halo effect. So in honor of 420, I have my leaf there. These are the lashes that I mentioned in the last 420 video, where I said I had a pink pair that I was going to save till today, which is a year later. So I couldn't wait to use these. And then also this leaf here, I used a stencil and I applied this glitter. It's called, what is it called? Spell on Me, and it's from Star Crush Minerals, and it's a pretty green, straight green glitter. And by the way, the lashes are from Butterfly Effects by Desi. So yeah, I did the leaf with a stencil and I just applied the glitter that way with my Lit Cosmetics glitter adhesive. So those stencils I got from Amazon. And this right here, these are just stickers. These are just those what are they? Gem stickers. So I just applied those to make it look like I had a piercing. And let's see, the lips, for the lip gloss, I'm using this gloss from Too Faced. And let's see, I think it's called, does it say 40K or 401K or something like that? But that's the gloss. And for the face, I'm just using my Danessa Myricks, what is it? Yummy Skin number 9. This is the Blurring Balm Powder. For the face, for blush, I'm using a blush from my blush palette. And this is in the color Cinnabar. This color right here. And then for the cheeks, for the highlight, I'm using the highlight I used last week, which is from Carla Cosmetics in their Sea Shimmer highlighter. Really pretty. And I think that's about it. I wanted to, even though it's a lot going on, I wanted to try to keep it kind of simple. Oh, and my pretty new necklace I got from the TikTok shop. And it's from Kristen Marie Studio. So, speaking of TikTok, this tutorial will be listed down below of how I completed the look. So if you want to check that out, the link will be below. Happy Easter, happy 420, and thanks for stopping by.